Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all? May you always be in good health and stay in the protection of the Almighty good. First of all, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Adi Cahyono. I study at SMAN 4 Kediri, and when this video was made, I was in my 12th grade and I came from Natural Science Department. When we discuss the issue of education, the quality of education in Indonesia not as good as in developed countries like America. But not a few Indonesians are smart and able to show that we are not inferior to developed countries. But unfortunately, the facilities provided by the government to some schools may be considered lacking. While I was studying at SMAN 4 Kediri, unfortunately I had some problems. Among them are internet connection problems which are sometimes difficult. Even though I use a service provider that is known for this internet speed, when I enter the school area, I still have trouble finding signal. Fortunately, school facilitates Wi-Fi as learning tool, but unfortunately sometimes the Wi-Fi is slow. My suggestion for management of SMA and for Kediri is to improve the revision facilities so that when learning using internet media is not disturbed. Regarding food needs, SMAN 4 Kediri has indeed facilitated a canteen. However, some students prefer to queue up at the school fines to buy food from outside the school. Maybe because some students don't like the menu in the school canteen. It is honorable the food is one of the important factors to support learning. If we are hungry, it is impossible for you to focus on studying. Maybe the school can coordinate with traders outside the school so that it is easier for students to buy food from outside the school without having to handle behind the school fence because it takes a long time for you to meet your food intake needs. Although SMAN 4 Kediri is located remote and near rice field, sometimes the students feel hot because the fan provided by the school sometimes does not work. Room temperature greatly affects our brain to concentrate. My suggestion for the administrators at SMAN 4 Kediri to do regular checks on the facilities so that teaching and learning activities can run smoothly and comfortably. Some teachers at SMA and for Kediri are very good and can be invited to coordinate. However, there are some who can be invited to coordinate so that they can train student discipline and mentality. But there are also some teachers who are very patient and less assertive. As a result, students often underestimate the subject and end up underestimating the material. My suggestion for some teachers at SMAN for Kediri to be more assertive and impressive to study the importance of learning so that they master the material. If we look the shortcoming of something, then there will be no end to discuss it. More or less I upload says, see you soon. That's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.